Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna give you pretty much an update I've done, at least performance wise. So as you can see, I got the NST Lightweight pulleys. I got the alternator, water pump, and crank. If you could get it focused, right? Alright, can't get it focused, but you can see alternator, water pump, and then back there, down there is the crank pulley. Then I got the weapon off 4-to-1 header put on, and what you can see there, I got rid of the factory catalytic converter, so now I got a one high flow catalytic converter. Show you underneath. As you can see, so I got the front end of the exhaust done. I got the car jacked up, so apologize. And I forgot to update you guys, but guess who's back? I got my new Borla Intercooled tips. So now they kind of flush. But everything's still pretty much the same. I don't got no muffler, just two Borla resonators in the back, one on the driver, one on the passenger, and then one by the high flow cat. And that's everything performance wise. So let's start this off for y'all. That's it, performance wise, nothing else. Oh, and the Vios speedometer I got now, and it's in miles per hour with the kilometers. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.